every breath you take. Hello children, you all know that breathing is important for living beings. All living things breathe to stay alive. Plants breathe through the small holes present under the surface of their leaves. Mammals, like human beings, elephants, cats and dogs, have lungs to breathe. Breathing in animals involves the process of inhaling and exhaling. Taking in of air is called inhaling, and the giving out of air is called exhaling. The air enters the body through the nose, passing through the nasopharynx and pharynx. It enters the trachea. As we inhale, our lungs get filled with fresh air. This makes the lungs and the chest muscles to expand. Our lungs absorb oxygen from the air and pump it into our blood vessels. The blood carries this oxygen to the other parts of the body. The same blood brings carbon dioxide to the lungs. As we exhale, the lungs contract and pump out the stale air or unwanted carbon dioxide. This whole process takes place with the help of a muscle called the diaphragm. The oxygen extracted from the air enters the blood. This oxygen is used to break down the glucose in the blood to release energy. This process is called respiration. We should always breathe through our nose and not through our mouth. This keeps the dirt and germs out of our body. This will also keep our lungs clean and healthy. Hope you had understood all concepts.